What's up guys, and welcome to the 9th lesson of these terminal videos, and in this tutorial we will edit prog1.c. So without further ado, let's start the video. CD desktop, ls-l, there it is, nano prog1. If you're unfamiliar with all these commands I've just put in, go back, rewatch, then come back to this, and then you know what I'm doing. In case you're wondering how I did that, I pressed FN and pressed delete. It's like a backspace. Okay, hashtag include stdio.h. int min curly braces, printf. Hello world, new line, return 0. Close that off. Control XY, enter. Cat prog1. There is a C program. Hello world. That's it for this tutorial. This tutorial was all about writing the basic C program. In the next tutorial, lesson 10, I'll show you how to compile the program, and then after that I'll show you how to move this file into another directory and compile it from there. You get the picture. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.